Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you what my wife's doing in the kitchen. Hi Jan.
Hi, Daddy.
What is it you're doing today?
I'm cleaning the fish that my friend gave me the other day. I'm from Mindanao and we call this bulinao. So first I have to take the head, and then I need to to take this thing here. Sa Bisaya, tinai. Before, I mean, we call them bulinaw, but I don't know if, because see, this is like, I was joking with my friend. I said these are big bulinaw. So some people, I think they call it guno. Correct me if I'm wrong, but some parts of the Philippines call this fish like many names.
Are they
But
common in the Philippines?
they are very common. I remember one time, my aunt from Surigao took us to this. It's like a public beach, and then we have like a fish nets and stuff. These are the fish that we got.
Oh, okay.
And if it's really fresh, back home, we don't have to take the head. But because this one aren't, fresh anymore, we had to take this out because it will get, like if you cook it, it will get like a little, you'll have like the bitter taste. So I just do this simply as this.
I see.
Like that. It looks like laborious.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm used to it.
Right. It seems like you're doing it pretty easily.
Yeah. And
2 maneuvers.
yeah.
Snap the head and finger down the center.
Just like that. And
And how many of those can you eat in a setting?
well, here in the US, I have to at least divide it into like 3 meals, because it's very rare for me to, eat this kind of fish because we're too far from the ocean. If I go to the Asian market, I can, there's not a lot of choices unless if you travel to Florida, travel to what?
The coast.
The coast, then, you'll have a lot of choices. But it has been what? I think it has been like 4 or 5 years since the last time I had this kind of fish. And I remember my tatay. My tatay likes this so much, and then he normally likes to cook it like inununan or kinilaw. I don't know. Yeah, kinilaw.
I've heard those names, yeah.
So just like that. But I'm gonna cook this as inununan because this is really good. You can also, the little ones, you can just put some eggs, like an omelette, something like that.
Yeah.
And it's really, really good. Yeah.
Well, thanks for letting me stop by.
You're welcome.
I'll talk to you soon.
As if you're living too far away. Talk to you soon. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.